You did what you were supposed to do. You worked hard, you stayed consistent, you made progress, and somehow this is what it feels like? Not failure, but not success either. It's this strange middle space where nothing is technically wrong, but something feels quietly off, and you can't fully explain why. You've probably tried to ignore it, told yourself, this is just how life is. But that feeling doesn't go away. It just waits. Your life, on the surface, looks fine, maybe even good. You have a job, or you're building towards something stable. You're not completely lost anymore like you were a few years ago. Back then, everything felt uncertain. Now things are clearer, more structured. Your days have a rhythm now. Wake up, check your phone, go through your routine, work, eat, scroll, sleep, repeat. And at some point, you stopped questioning it, because this is what progress looks like, right? You're moving forward, you're doing better than before. But then there are moments, small ones, when everything slows down for a second, like when you're sitting alone after a long day, or when you look at your reflection a little too long, or when you suddenly realize how predictable everything has become, and a quiet thought slips in. Is this it? Not in a dramatic way, just quietly, almost like you're not supposed to ask that question. So you push it away. You tell yourself you're just tired or overthinking. But if you're honest, you've probably felt this more than once.
Because here's the part that doesn't make sense. You didn't fail, you're not behind, you're not completely stuck. So why does it feel like something is missing? Why does your progress feel empty sometimes? It's not that you hate your life. That would be easier to understand. It's more confusing than that. You're okay, but not fulfilled. You're functioning, but not fully alive. And the hardest part, you can't complain. Because from the outside, everything looks reasonable. People might even say you're doing well. So you start questioning yourself instead. Maybe I'm just ungrateful. Maybe I expect too much. Maybe this is just adulthood. But that doesn't fully explain it either, because deep down, you know this feeling isn't random. It shows up in specific moments, when things go quiet, when distractions fade, when you're left alone with your own thoughts. And in those moments, you feel the gap between where you are and something you can't clearly define.
The problem isn't that you failed. It's that you followed a path that was never fully yours. Not completely, not consciously. At some point, your definition of success was shaped before you ever questioned it. It came from expectations, from comparison, from what made sense at the time. And to be fair, it worked. It gave you direction when you needed it. It helped you move forward when you felt lost. But now, you're starting to outgrow it. And that's where the discomfort comes from, because your life is still aligned with a version of you that doesn't fully exist anymore. You've changed. Your awareness has shifted, but your structure hasn't caught up. So now you're living inside something that once felt right, but no longer feels true. And that creates a very specific kind of tension. Not chaos, not collapse, just quiet misalignment. You've probably noticed this in small ways. Things that used to excite you don't hit the same anymore. Goals that once felt important feel distant now. Even your wins feel muted, like you're achieving things but not really feeling them. And that's when it gets confusing, because you start wondering, if this isn't it, then what is? But there's no clear answer, only this growing awareness that something inside you has shifted.
Maybe this isn't about success at all. Maybe it's about identity. Because for a long time, you were focused on becoming someone stable, someone capable, someone who had things figured out. And in many ways, you did become that person.
But now you're here, and you're starting to realize that becoming someone is not the same as understanding who you are. There's a difference. One is built from the outside in. The other has to come from somewhere deeper, and that's the part you can't ignore anymore. Not because something is wrong, but because something is waking up. That quiet feeling you keep pushing away, it's not a sign that you've failed. It's a sign that you've reached the edge of something, the edge of a life that made sense before, but no longer feels complete now. And maybe that's why it feels so uncomfortable, because there's no clear next step, no obvious direction, just a question that keeps returning in quieter moments, not asking what you should do next, but something much harder to answer. Is this really you? And for now, that question doesn't need an answer, but it won't disappear either.